The Jackie LED power strip tower will keep your electric devices organized and safe. 4 different sizes offer 4 USB charging ports and between 6 and 18 outlets. It is made of fireproof material, keeping your belongings and family safe. The rotatable tower design allows you to extend and retract the 6.5-foot adjustable cord. And each layer has an independent switch to help you conserve power. This surge protector has overload protection that can be reset with the red button on the bottom, which makes it a crucial addition to just about any room in your home.